Okay, class we will start at 6:15, but I will just share something before we start our class. It actually கொஞ்ச நாளுக்கு முன்னாடி வந்து I have already shared, but as many of you are new, I will share again. Okay. About time to practice yoga, what to eat, and things like that. Okay. Yoga வந்து is a practice, like what I said, yoga is actually a practice to make you from a, இது வந்து எங்க மாஸ்டர் எப்பயுமே யூஸ் பண்ற word, from an ordinary human being to an extraordinary human being. It gives you a lot of energy, strength, mentally, physically, emotionally. So the best time, so நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ஒரு நாள் வந்து for us to go through a day, we actually need all this. We need a lot of strength, mentally, physically, and emotionally. So when is the best time to practice yoga? Is always in the morning. ஏன்னா காலையில தானே we start our day in the morning. இது காடியில ஏறணும்னு ஜாம்ல ஆரம்பிக்கிற ஸ்ட்ரெஸ், ஆஃபீஸ்க்கு போய் பாஸை பார்த்து முடிச்சுட்டு வீட்டுக்கு வந்து திரும்பி ஹஸ்பண்டை பார்த்து சமைச்சு முடிச்சு பிள்ளைங்களை பார்த்து த்ரூ அவுட் வந்து எல்லாமே வந்து இருக்கும். ஸோ we need that in the morning. So I always suggest that wake up a little bit early, half an hour early. That half an hour is a time for yourself. If all this while you have been waking up at 5:30, wake up at 5 o'clock. And the half an hour வந்து உங்களுக்குன்னு உள்ள டைமா வச்சுக்கோங்க. I will say best is 1 hour. ஆனா 1 hour இல்லைனாலும் at least 30 minutes வந்து நம்மளுக்கு உள்ள time where you practice yoga. You will feel light throughout the day. யார் வந்து நம்மள mentally, physically, emotionally என்ன விஷயம் செஞ்சாலும் of course it all that will happen. நம்ம யோகா பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணோன்னே இதெல்லாம் நடக்காதுன்னு இல்லை, எல்லாமே வந்து நடக்கும். ஆனா the way we see it, the way we accept things will be different. You will feel lighter. So I will always say practice yoga in the morning. If you think that you do not have enough time, எனக்கு வந்து டைம் பத்தல, நான் தூங்குறதே ராத்திரி 12 மணி ஆயிடுது, எப்படி காலையில எந்திரிச்சு பிராக்டிஸ் பண்றதுன்னா ட்ரை முதல்ல பண்ணி பாருங்க. You will realize that, okay, let's say இப்போ வந்து நான் 5:30 எந்திரிச்சு அவசரமா எல்லாம் செஞ்சுட்டு வேலைக்கு போயிட்டு எல்லாம் முடிச்சுட்டு வீட்டுக்கு வந்து எல்லா வேலையும் செஞ்சு முடிச்சுட்டு படுக்கிறதுக்கே 12 மணி ஆயிருதுன்னா, when you practice yoga in the morning, you will realize that the way you take decision, the way you take how you see things will be different. Your decision will be faster. நமக்கு ஏன்னா மைண்ட்ல வந்து இன்னும் கூட கிளாரிட்டி இருக்கும். ஸோ டிசிஷன் எடுக்கிறது ஃபாஸ்டவா இருக்கும். நம்ம செய்யற வேலைங்க வந்து பிகாஸ் அவர் பாடி இஸ் ஸ்ட்ராங் அண்ட் ஹெல்த்தி, we can do things faster. And you will realize because you wake up half an hour earlier and practice yoga, நீங்க தூங்குறது வந்து நீங்க earlier வந்து நீங்க எல்லாம் முடிச்சுட்டு படுக்கிறதுக்கு 12 மணி ஆச்சுன்னா இன்னும் சீக்கிரமா தான் எல்லா வேலையும் செஞ்சு முடிப்பீங்க. ஏன்னா you have so much of energy. So the best time to practice yoga is always in the morning, but it's okay. Sometimes நம்மளுக்கு அந்த சான்ஸே கிடைக்கலன்னா சாயங்காலம் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணாலும் பரவாயில்ல, எப்போ ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணாலும் பரவாயில்ல, பட் I will always suggest to practice in the morning. But okay, other than practicing yoga, okay, always be mindful. நம்ம வந்து அன்னைக்கு நான் போன வாரம் வந்து I'm not sure who many of you were here when I was explaining about yoga, what is yoga all about and all. I was explaining about 5 layers that makes up a human being. Number first layer வந்து is made out of food. So always be very very mindful of what goes into your mouth. வாய்க்குள்ள என்ன போகுதுன்றது வந்து நம்ம ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லா ஜாக பண்ணோம். பிகாஸ் அதுதான் வந்து நம்ம இந்த கண்டெயின், இந்த சோல கண்டெயின் பண்றது, இந்த மனித நம்மள வந்து கண்டெயின் பண்றதே வந்து இந்த பாடி தான். ஸோ இதுக்கு கொடுக்கறது வந்து நல்ல ஃபுட்டா இருக்கணும். What gives you energy, pranaன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. It's not about carbohydrate, it's about energy. Try to take, I will suggest, of course I won't say be vegetarian, but try to take more vegetable and fruits, because vegetable fruits லாம் வந்து there's more pranaன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, life force. And personally I gave up a lot of food for my yoga practice. ஏன்னா you will realize that when you take more fruits and vegetable, body is more flexible, your mind is lighter. இந்த தேவையில்லாத தாட்ஸ் வரது வந்து ரொம்ப குறைஞ்சிரும். நம்மளுக்கு எப்பயுமே இஷ்யூ வந்து இந்த தேவையில்லாத தாட்ஸ் தான். I was the other day I explained about prana and food. இந்த பிராணான்றது வந்து எனர்ஜி. நம்ம வந்து we are all made out of எனர்ஜி. அதனாலதான் வந்து இப்போ சொல்லுவாங்க ஒரு சில இடத்துக்கு போனோன்னே அந்த வீடு வந்து ஒரு சில டெம்பிளே நம்ம எடுத்துட்டோம்னா பழைய டெம்பிளா இருக்கும், ஆனா அங்க போகும்போது we feel so much of எனர்ஜி. ஒரு சில இடம் அழகா என்னென்னமோ செஞ்சிருப்பாங்க, அந்த எனர்ஜி நம்மளுக்கு ஃபீல் பண்ணது பிகாஸ் அதுதான் வந்து அந்த பிராணான்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, நிறைய எனர்ஜி இருக்கிற இடம். அதே மாதிரி தான் சாப்பாடு. ஸோ லெட்ஸ் சே நான் அன்னைக்கு கொடுத்த சொந்தோ தான் இந்த கோழியை வந்து அவங்க போயிட்டு வெட்டும் போது அதை பிடிக்கும் போது அதுக்கு வந்து அவ்வளோ நெகட்டிவான எனர்ஜி இருக்கும். இட் வில் ஃபீல் சோ சேட், சோ angry with the person who is going to take it away. It will so sad that it's leaving the kids and all. So அதைதான் நம்ம வந்து ஒருத்தவங்க கொன்ன ஒரு விஷயத்த வந்து நம்ம வந்து கன்சியூம் பண்றோம். ஸோ அந்த எனர்ஜி தான் நம்மக்குள்ள வரும். கரெக்ட், ரைட்? ஸோ ட்ரை டு டேக் less non-vegetarian and take more vegetarian food. And personally இல்ல, இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஆயுர்வேதா and all, for flexibility purpose and all, இந்த உரப்பான சாப்பாடு அதெல்லாம் வந்து நம்ம குறைச்சிக்கிட்டோம்னாலே நம்மளுக்கு வந்து a lot of difference நம்ம ஆசனா பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணும்போது நம்ம ரியலைஸ் பண்ணலாம். அண்ட் இந்த சாப்பாடு வந்து 3 குணங்கள் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, ராஜாசிக், தமசிக் and சாத்விக். ராஜாசிக் is, I'll give one chunto. ஒரு பொட்டேட்டோ of course it's a vegetarian food, பட் அந்த பொட்டேட்டோவே வந்து நிறைய உப்பு உரப்பு டீப் ஃப்ரை பண்ணி எடுத்து சாப்பிட்டோம்னா அது வந்து பிகம்ஸ் ராஜசிக். பிகாஸ் எல்லா எமோஷனையும் எல்லா விஷயத்தையும் வந்து நம்ம அதுல போட்டுட்டோம். அதே பொட்டேட்டோ ஓகே நான் வந்து அப்பயே எடுத்து உப்பாஸ் பண்ணி எல்லாம் அளவோட போட்டு சமைச்சு சாப்பிடும் போது இட் பிகம்ஸ் எல்லாமே அளவோட இருக்கும் போது இட் பிகம்ஸ் சாத்விக். சாத்விக்னா the right one. Okay, truth. சாத்னா truth or the right one. Okay, அதே சாத்விக் ஃபுட்டை நான் வந்து ஃப்ரிட்ஜ்ல எடுத்து வச்சிட்டேன். நாளைக்கு வந்து திரும்பி ரீஹீட் பண்ணி சாப்பிடுறேன். அதுல உள்ள பிராணா எனர்ஜி கொஞ்சம் குறைஞ்சிரும். மறுநாள் வந்து ஃப்ரிட்ஜ்ல இன்னும் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா இருக்கு, ஃப்ரிட்ஜ்ல வச்சுட்டு திரும்பி ரீஹீட் பண்ணி சாப்பிடுறேன். ரீஹீட் பண்ணி அதுல இன் தி எண்ட் ஆஃப் த டே நம்ம சாப்பிடுறது வந்து இந்த ஹம்பாஸ் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, அந்த சக்கையை மட்டும்தான் சாப்பிடுவோம். இது எல்லாமே திஸ் அப்ளைஸ் டு ஆல் ப்ரோசஸ்ட் ஃபுட், இந்த கேன்ட் ஃபுட், ப்ரோசஸ்ட் ஃபுட், இந்த வெஜிடேரியன் சிக்கன், வெஜிடேரியன் மட்டன் எல்லாமே வந்து இதுதான். So always take the fresh and fruits, fresh and vegetables and things like that. Even some vegetarians they don't take mushroom. நம்ம சாப்பிடுற ஃபுட்டோட கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்கும் plays a role also. So always take food and fruits which looks creative, like the dragon fruit. அதெல்லாம் வந்து எல்லாம் evolution தானே, அதெல்லாம் வந்து it has made itself look so creative. So take variety of the மாதிரி colorful fruits, vegetables and all. Always be simple in your food. Let's say கொஞ்சம் சோறு, ஒரு சையோ, 2 சையோ, கொஞ்சம் கறி, அந்த மாதிரி லைட்டா. when you take things what goes in when it's light, it's easily processed in our stomach, we will become very simple person also. அதனால தான் சொல்லுவாங்க நம்ம என்ன சாப்பிடுறோமோ அந்த மாதிரி தான் நம்ம இருப்போம். but it's only not only about food, it's also about what you read. டாக்டர் காதீர் இப்ராஹிம் எப்போதும் சொல்லுவாங்க எல்லாமே நம்ம our life is made of all the small simple things that we do. Be careful, be always watch what you are watching, what you are reading. எப்பயாச்சும் ஒரு சோகம் வந்தோடனே அப்பதான் தேடி கண்டுபிடிச்சு இன்னும் ரொம்ப சோகமான பாட்டு கேட்டு இன்னும் ரொம்ப சோகமாவி இதுதான் வந்து மலையில வந்து ஒரு இது இருக்குல்ல, அப்ப பார்த்தா ஜத்தோடி திம்ப தாங்கன்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல. இந்த ஜத்தோடி திம்ப தாங்க என்னன்னா ஒரு கெட்டது நடந்தோன்னா அடுத்து கெட்ட விஷயமா நடக்குது. அது ஏன் நடக்குதுன்னா ஒரு நெகட்டிவான விஷயம் நடந்துச்சா அதே பத்தியே யோசிச்சு இன்னும் நிறைய we attract a lot more negativity in life. So this is my very personal experience when I went through some bad time in life before I came into yoga. So ஆரம்பத்துல வந்து அதை யோசிச்சு ஏன் நம்மளுக்கு இப்படியாச்சு யோசிச்சு I realized that a lot more negative things happen. அப்புறம் ஒரு காலகட்டத்துல நானே யோசிச்சிட்டேன் நம்ம இப்படி விட்டோம்னா இன்னும் அப்படியே நம்ம போயிருவோம் அப்படின்ட்டு I started looking for good things that I can do to make myself positive. So I started with gardening. When I was doing gardening and the first flower bloom பண்ணோனே எனக்கு இன்னும் வா நம்மள நம்பி ஒரு உயிர் வந்திருக்குன்னா நம்ம ஏதோ ஒரு நல்ல எனர்ஜி நம்மள்ட்ட இருக்கு, அதனாலதான் நம்மள நம்பி ஒரு பூ வந்திருக்கு அப்படின்ட்டு அப்ப நான் பாசிட்டிவா சேஞ்ச் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சதுதான். Then that is when I started going for spiritual retreats. Then from there I got to know yoga. Then I found my master. Then things started changing one by one. ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு நல்ல விஷயமாச்சும் நம்ம செய்யணும். நம்மளுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருச்சா லைஃப்ல வந்து ஏதோ ஒரு கெட்ட விஷயம் நடக்குதுன்னு, you just quickly come out of it. Of course it's easy said than done, but always be very careful. நம்ம சோகமா இருக்கா, அந்த நேரத்துல கவலையா இருக்கா, you can actually watch anything that will make you. சமயத்துல வந்து நம்ம இந்த மோட்டிவேஷனல் இந்த ஸ்டோரிஸ் கேட்கலாம், எல்லாம் கேட்கலாம். சமயத்துல அதுக்கெல்லாம் மூட்டே இருக்காது. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா, if you like comedy, at one point I actually had a big collection of Goundamani Senthil comedy. So daily சம்ப எனக்கு பொலியத்தர் ஹஃபல் அவங்களோட டயலாக்லாம். So do something that will make you feel good, okay? And be always be very careful about of what you read. நம்ம என்னோட ஒரு பழைய பாஸ் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, don't read rubbish, you will become rubbish. Because I like to read so much, I had a lot of books. அவங்க சொன்னது வந்து எனக்கு என்னமோ பலாருன்னு ஒரு அறவுட்ட மாதிரி. So always be very careful. So நம்மளுக்கு வந்து இப்ப லைஃப்ல நம்மளுக்கு என்ன தேவை, if you are on spiritual path, read more on this, read something that will make you feel motivated. Let's say இன்னைக்கு வந்து யோகா பிராக்டிஸ் பண்றதுக்கு எனக்கு மூட்டே இல்ல, யூடியூப்ல வந்து பிகேஎஸ் ஐயங்கார் யோகா பிராக்டிஸ் பண்றத தட்டி பாருங்க, அந்த வயசுல இப்படி பாத்துக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்களே, இப்படி எல்லாம் செய்யறாங்கன்னு, ஓகே never mind, I have to practice also. அந்த மாதிரின்னு ஆல்வேஸ் பி, டோன்ட் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து let's say okay, இப்போ வந்து நான் யோகா பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் வியூவிலே பேசுறேன். let's say என்னோட இது வந்து யோகா. So don't look at people who don't practice. பரவாயில்ல அவங்களே practice பண்ணல, நம்மளும் பரவாயில்ல ஒரு 2 நாள் பிரேக் விட்டா பரவாயில்ல அப்படின்னு நினைக்காம, யார் வந்து டஷாட்ட practice பண்ணுவாங்க அவங்கள பார்த்துட்டு பாரு அவங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன இருக்கு, ஸ்டில் அவங்க practice பண்ணுங்க, I have to practice. You have to always see yourself like this. But at the same time, when you feel like you are unlucky, when you feel like a lot of negative things are happening in your life, always look at people who இன்னும் லைஃப்ல வந்து ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்படுறவங்க, ஆனா எப்பயுமே வந்து பாசிட்டிவா சிரிச்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறவங்க. அந்த மாதிரிலாம் ஆக்சுவலி நான் யோகால வந்து தான் இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய பேரை பார்த்தேன். நான் நினைச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன் நம்மளுக்கு தான் வாழ்க்கையிலேயே ஆக பெரிய பிரச்சனை இருக்குன்னு. பட் when I came into yoga, I came across so many people who are in worse situation, but they are still smiling and going through life. இது சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, நமக்கும் கீழே இருப்பவர் கோடி, அதை நினைச்சு வந்து நம்ம நிம்மதியை தேடிக்கணும் அப்படின்ட்டுன்னு. ஸோ ஆல்வேஸ் keep yourself positive. Always do things that see, initially ஆரம்பத்து காலத்துல நம்ம முதல்ல சொன்ன மாதிரி தான், when I was sad, ரொம்ப நிறைய பேர் எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு என்னென்னமோ செஞ்சுட்டு அந்த காடியில ஏறி அங்கேருந்து நான் வீட்டுக்கு வந்து சேர்ற அந்த few minutesக்குள்ள எல்லா நெகட்டிவான விஷயமும் திரும்பி எனக்கு வந்து சேர்ந்துரும். So how I came out of it by like what I said, I tried listening to all these comedies எல்லாம் போன்ல டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி வச்சிருந்தேன். எல்லாமே I did everything that can slowly change me from negativity to positivity. So yeah, talking about yoga, sister, you actually asked about yoga. நான் எங்கேயோ போயிட்டேன். Okay, anyway, to be motivated to practice yoga, like what I said, the best thing is to practice in the morning, take care of your food, practice daily, have your own journal, spiritual journal, yoga journal, daily வந்து journal வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் வந்து எழுதுங்க, உங்களுக்குன்னு வந்து டார்கெட் வச்சுக்கோங்க. இவ்வளவு இப்பையிலேருந்து இப்போ வரைக்கும் குள்ள இதை முடிச்சிடணும்னே. ஆனா at the same time அது நடக்கலைன்னா நடுவுல வந்து ஏதாச்சும் இன்ஜரி வந்துடும், எதுவும் நடந்துரும். இட்ஸ் ஓகே, இட்ஸ் த பெஸ்ட் திங் தட் நேச்சர் வாண்ட்ஸ் டு கிவ் யூ அட் that time நினைச்சிட்டு you just keep practicing. Practicing is actually our duty. Like what I told the other day, அந்த law of spiritual bookல வந்து என்ன எழுதிருக்குன்னா, நம்ம உலகத்துக்கு வந்தது to become a better person before we go back. நம்ம let's say நம்ம வந்தது நெகட்டிவ் 50யோட வந்திருந்தோம்னா, நம்ம கிளம்பும் போது அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு நெகட்டிவ் 30யோட இல்லாட்டி நெகட்டிவ் 20யோட பலியை பண்ணா நல்லது, இன்னும் கீழே இறங்கிடக்கூடாது. ஸோ நம்மளோட வேலை வந்து to become a better person. So our duty, so practicing yoga is a way for us to become a better person in life. So practice yoga as a duty. நான் இது செஞ்சுதான் ஆகணும். So I have no choice. Once yoga has come to your life, It's given to you as a duty. You have to practice and if possible, share it with others. So, it's already 6:30. நான் வந்து என்னோட டைம் வந்து ரொம்ப மீறிட்டேன். நீங்க சூரிய நமஸ்கார் கொஞ்சம் குறைச்சிக்கலாம். So, yeah, that's the thing. Always keep yourself positive. Surround yourself with people who will say good things, positive things only. எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு தெரியுதோ ஈவன் இந்த சோஷியல் மீடியா சரி, எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் நெகட்டிவான விஷயம் இருக்கோ, எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் வந்து ஆளுங்க காசிப்லாம் ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்றாங்களோ அந்த பக்கமே போவாதீங்க. எந்தெந்தெல்லாம் யாரெல்லாம் வந்து கெட்ட விஷயங்கள் பேசுறாங்களோ don't follow, don't go into anything that gives anything which is negative at all. எல்லாம் வந்து யாரெல்லாம் பாசிட்டிவான விஷயம் செய்றாங்களோ அதுல பாருங்க இது பண்ணுங்க. Have no expectation on anyone at all. You just do your whatever that you do, just take it as your duty. Even practicing yoga, do not have any expectation. Thank you, Nandini. Do not have any expectation on anyone at all. Even எல்லாமே வந்து நம்ம டியூட்டியா தான் பார்க்கணும். இதுதான் பகவத்கீதையிலயும் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. என்ன நம்ம செஞ்சாலும் எல்லாமே வந்து நம்மளுக்கு டியூட்டி தான். ஈவன் practicing yoga is our duty. So நம்ம போடுற ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் வச்சு nature will be kind enough. Nature is very fair. It will give you what we did. It will give you what you deserve. So எல்லா விஷயத்துலயும் ஆசனா விஷயத்துலயும் அப்படித்தான், லைஃப்ல நம்மளுக்கு எல்லா விஷயத்துலயும் அப்படித்தான். We just keep putting in all our hard work. What is best for us will come to us. This applies for yoga and everything else in our life. Okay. Sekian 6:30 we will start our practice. Don't worry, yang kita kurangkan Surya Namaskar. Stretch your legs forward. Right leg over your left leg, pull in. Hands on your knees, close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Tell yourself that the next 1 hour is all for yourself. For the practice of yoga. Through the practice of yoga, you are getting healthier and happier day by day. Through the practice of yoga, you are getting calm and peaceful. Through the practice of yoga, you are spreading love, light, peace and harmony to the world. Inhale, exhale. Be here, be at the present moment, and tell yourself that the next 1 hour is all for your well-being. Okay, can you all see me? Okay. Stretch your legs forward. We will start off with Pavanmuktasana. Inhale, squeeze your toes forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale forward. Exhale towards your body. Now point ankle. Inhale forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale forward. Exhale towards your body. Legs apart. Toes pointed at each other. Inhale, rotate all the way to the side. Exhale back to the center. Once again, inhale, rotate. Exhale, center. The other way around. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Relying on your legs. Place your palms on your knees. Engage your kneecap. Bring your heels up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now bring the soles of your legs together. Bring your knee inwards as much as possible. Move your knee up and down. Kita lihat. Now butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, push your knee down. Go all the way down. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go down again. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Now stretch your legs forward. Interlock your fingers under your right knee. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. Inhale up. Exhale to the right. Inhale up. Exhale, place on your left thigh. Massage your sole. You can massage up to your knee. Now place your right palm on your right knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale towards your body. Inhale down. Exhale up. Release hip joint rotation. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Straighten. Now interlock your fingers under your left knee. Inhale up. Exhale to the right. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, place on your right thigh. Massage your sole. You can massage up to your knee. Now place your left palm on your left knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale towards your body. Inhale down. Exhale up. Release hip joint rotation. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Straighten. Now right leg over your left leg. Pull in. Stretch your hands forward. Inhale, palms up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Thumbs on your shoulder. Elbows together. Inhale all the way up. Interlock your fingers. Exhale, fully look up. Thumbs on your shoulder. Inhale, forward. Exhale all the way up. Inhale to the front. Once again, inhale up. Interlock your fingers. Exhale, fully look up. Thumbs on your shoulder. Inhale, forward. Exhale all the way up. Inhale to the front. Release down for your neck. Inhale and exhale. Inhale up. Exhale, bring your chin towards your chest. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Center. Tilt to the right. Center. To the left. Center. Lastly, eyeball exercise. Interlock your fingers, thumbs up. Gaze at the tip of your thumb. Now bring your thumb up. All the way down. To the center. To the right. Center. To the left. Center. To the tip of your nose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the center. The space in between your eyeball look up. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the center. Up. Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar. Okay. For the new ones, you just follow. Anything I will come. I will do correction. Later, I will send video for Surya Namaskar. Come to the front of your mat. Legs apart according to your hip width. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Imagine like there is a tiny sun at your navel point. Imagine like the tiny sun is moving up to your eyebrow center. When the tiny sun is moving up, it's spreading yellow color light throughout your body. The yellow color light is now spread 6 feet around you. The yellow color light is giving you warmth and protection. Now imagine like the tiny sun is moving back to your navel point, your Manipura chakra. It's energizing your Manipura chakra. Right now, you are directly connected to the sun. You are fully energized to do Surya Namaskar. Before you start, thank the nature, thank the universe, thank all your teachers, gurus and mahans, thank your fellow practitioners, thank yourself, thank your body for the opportunity to practice yoga. Open your eyes. Make sure that your legs are apart according to your hip width. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale all the way forward and behind. Exhale all the way down. Now bring your right leg behind, your right toes flat. Inhale, open up your chest. Hands down. Left leg behind. Push your shoulders in. Exhale, mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your chest down, chin down, and your knee down. Ashtanga. Hold your breath. Inhale up and feel your navel point. Exhale, sit on your heels. Inhale, come up, cat pose sutta. Exhale, mountain pose. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bring your right leg forward in between your hands. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtanga. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Sit on your heels. Inhale, Manjaryasana, cat pose. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward in between your hands. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Second round. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Now bring your right leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your chest down, chin down, and your knee down. Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Sit on your heels. Inhale, Manjaryasana, cat pose. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bring your right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Majriyasana, cat pose. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bring your left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Third round. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Dharani, do properly, Ayya. I can see what you are doing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Sit on your heels. Inhale, Majriyasana, cat pose. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3. Geeta sister and Sharvini, rendu perume vandu knee straighten pannunga. Don't bend your knee, knee straight. Go walk behind, one step behind, a bit behind. Okay, good. 4, 5. Now your chest down, chin down, and your knee down. Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Sit on your heels. Inhale, Majriyasana, cat pose. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. 2 more rounds in faster pace. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Now your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Sit on your heels. Inhale, Majriyasana, cat pose. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain. Now bring your right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Now your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Majriyasana, cat pose. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain. Now bring your left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Last round. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Now your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Majriyasana, cat pose. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain. Now bring your right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Now your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Majriyasana, cat pose. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Now, Ashtanga Surya Namaskar A. Come to the front of your mat. Both your legs together. Open up the chest. Spine straight in your abdomen. Hands at the side of the body. See, just now Hatha Yoga, your legs go apart according to your hip width. Now, Ashtanga, both your legs together. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, look up and go down. Head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Now bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing, elbows straight, come up. Exhale, downward facing. Now push your shoulders in, as though your abdomen is going towards your upper thigh. 2, inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front, straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, Samastirihi. Back to the original position. Second round, Samastirihi. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, look up and go down, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward, elbow straight, come up. Exhale, downward. Stay 1, inhale, exhale. Good, good. Everyone is doing well. 2, 3. Shiva, leg closer, Shiva. Konjam kitta kondu vaanga. No, no, not inwards. Rendu kaalam. Ah, correct. 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, Samastirihi. Sivane sister, when you go up, bring both your hands up together. Rendu mele namaskar pannittukonga. Third round, Samastirihi. Both your legs together. Open up your chest, spine straight, pull in your abdomen. Inhale, bring both your hands up, look up. Exhale, look up and go down, head down completely. Okay, if you can't touch the floor, if you can't hold your toes, it's okay. Inga mudimo, you hold there, but do not bend your knees. Knees straight. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out. Chaturanga. Good, good, good. Vasanta sister, very good. Inhale, upward. Elbow straight, come up. Exhale, downward. Stay 1, inhale, exhale. 2. Meena sister, walk closer. You are too far away. Walk closer. No? Inno. 3. Okay, good enough. 4. 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale, Samastirihi. Fourth round, Samastirihi. Inhale, bring both your hands up, look up. Exhale, look up and go down. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, hit down completely. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Last round, Samasthiti. Inhale, bring both your hands up, look up. Exhale, look up and go down, hit down completely. Inhale, hit up only. Bend your knees, jump out. Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Stay 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, hit down completely. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Ashtanga Surya Namaskar. B. Come to the front of your mat, both your legs together. Open up your chest, spine straight. Pull in your abdomen. Samasthiti. Utkatasana. Go down, touch, come up. Exhale, hit down completely. Inhale, hit up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Now bring your right leg forward in between your hands. Both your hands up. Exhale, bring both your hands down. Right leg behind. Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward. Inhale, up. Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down. Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Stay 1. Inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, hit down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, Samasthiti. Utkatasana, go down, touch, come up. Exhale, hit down completely. Inhale, hit up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Right leg forward. Inhale, up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward. Inhale, up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Stay 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samastitihi. Last round. Samastitihi. Luina, come do. Samastitihi. Utkatasana, go down, touch, come up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Right leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Stay one, inhale, exhale. Two, three. Luina, adi vaanga podhu indha pilla. Stay properly. 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samastitihi. Please relax. Okay, today we only do 3 rounds of Ashtanga Surya Namaskar B. Okay, we will continue, but before that, Leela aunty, inge ellathiyum paathu namaskar solunga. Before this, to some of you, I've introduced aunty before, but many of you have never seen. Okay, okay, thanks aunty. Okay, if you feel like, thank you aunty, thank you aunty. If you feel like you are not motivated enough, aunty வந்து மனசுல நினைச்சுக்குங்க. Think about aunty. Whenever you feel like you are not motivated enough, you can bring Leela aunty to your mind. Leela aunty is my youngest student. She is 65 years old. If you want to know how she comes to class, she comes for my Sunday class. She brings breakfast for me. Breakfast and lunch together. ரெண்டு சாப்பாடு சேர்த்து எனக்கு செஞ்சு கொண்டு வருவாங்க. She actually, for her to come to class, she is in Balakong. Our class is in Kajang. She will take one bus, then train, then Grab for her to come to class. So one day I asked her, yeah aunty இவ்வளோ கஷ்டப்பட்டு கிளாஸ்க்கு வந்து சேர்றீங்கன்னு. அவங்களோட answer was very simple. இல்ல மோய் எனக்கு யோகா பிடிக்கும் அவ்வளவுதான். That was her answer. So if you like something, you have to put all your heart and soul into it. It will surely give you a lot of benefit out of it. Okay, அப்படியே எப்பயாச்சும் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ரச தடஸ்மாங்க, you can always think of Leela aunty. Okay, okay, so we will straight away go to the asana of the day. Today's asana, we will be doing this asana we have done before early. I think first few weeks we did Shiva pose. We will be doing Shiva pose today, and for those who have already unlocked Shiva pose, I will give an advanced, not advanced, slightly more challenging version of Shiva pose. Okay, we will do all the preparatory asana for Shiva pose, and then we will do Shiva pose. Okay, like what I explained earlier, Shiva pose is an asana which needs a lot of flexibility at your hamstring, thigh, your hip joint, as well as this is shoulder strength is very important because you need to lift your body up in order for you to bring your leg behind. Okay, two things will work together. You will lift your body up and stretch your leg all the way behind. We will do all the preparatory asanas first, then we will do Shiva pose. We will start with the first one. First one is lizard pose. Uttan Krishnasana or variation. Okay? You will, let me show first, then we will do together. From cat pose, you will bring your right leg to the right side of your right hand, then bring your right hand out. Left hand, you will go down on your elbow. Stretch your left leg all the way behind, bend your knee, hold your ankle, look forward. Okay, you will feel a lot of stretch here. You will feel a lot of stretch and leg. You will feel. Okay, come. Head pose. Now bring your right leg to the right side of your right hand. Now you will bring your right hand out. Stretch your left leg all the way behind. Now left hand you will go down on your elbow. Then bend your left knee. If you can grab your ankle, you grab your ankle. If you can't, it's okay, but still you lift up. Try to bring your hand as close as possible. Look up. Stay. 1, inhale, exhale. This itself is an asana, Uttan Krishnasana. 2, 3, 4, good. 5, 6, 7, 8. Release. Now switch leg, the other leg now. Switch leg. Now bring your left leg to the left side of your left hand. Then bring your left hand out. Okay. Right leg, you will stretch all the way behind. Okay. Right hand, you will go down on your elbow. Akka, show again. Okay. Now, let's say I'm doing for my left leg. I'll show this side. Yeah. The leg behind, you will stretch all the way behind. This hand, the opposite hand, you will go down on your elbow. Hold. Hold your ankle. Go. Stay. 1, inhale, exhale. Yotishri, kaala bring inside. Your leg is going behind, your heel is going behind, bring it forward. Close to your buttock. Yes, correct. 2, stay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release. Okay. The next one is called Dhanur Akarshana. Okay. You will bend your right knee, hold your left hand will be holding the right side of your right leg. This is the first one. Then your right hand will go all the way on top. Hold your left leg. In the kal you will bring close to your ear. So it's like this. Okay, let me show once again. Bend your right knee. Hold with your left hand. Bring your right big toe close to your left ear. So right leg will be on top of your left ear. Then your right hand will go all the way on top. Hold your left big toe. Look up. Go as much as possible. This one you will feel at your hip especially. Stay. 1, inhale, exhale. Go as much as possible. 2, 3, lift up until it touches your ear. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release. Now switch leg, the other leg. Left knee, bend, left leg to your right ear. Then your left hand will go to your right leg. Hold your right big toe. Correct. Indra sister, correct. Go closer. Correct. Good. Stay. 1. Inhale, exhale. Sangeeta sister, pull closer. Closer. Sikit lagi. 2, 3. Good, Punita. Good. 4. Shilpa, go higher a bit. Your left leg. Higher. Close to your ear. 5, 6, 7, 8. Release. Okay. The next one. The name of this asana is Devi pose. Okay. If you don't do it correctly, you are not going to feel anything. But if you do it correctly, you will feel a lot of stretch at your hip and hamstring as well as your thigh. You will open up your legs wide. Your knees will be, you will go down, your toes will be pointed sideways. Right toes to your right side, left toes on your, to the left side. Okay. Go down, go down, go down. Until your buttock, your knee are all in a straight line. Okay, this is Devi pose. Go, come up. Open up your legs wide. Nisha sister, open your leg wider. Unga knee unga heel must be in the same line. So you have to bring your heel sideways somehow. Heel sideways somehow. Okay, go down. Okay, Yoga, Tini and mother, correct. Go down, go down. Go down, lower, lower, lower. Place your hands on your knees. Stay. 1, inhale, exhale. Toes pointed sideways. Chandrika sisters, toe இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் sideways கொண்டுட்டு வாங்க. 3, stay. 4, 5, Meena sister hip lower. 6, 7, Nandini go lower. 8, release. Come on. Okay. Are we all okay? Okay. We will do one more asana. Okay. This is Ekahasta Bhujasana. And we are not going to do full Ekahasta Bhujasana. The variation class is Ekana, 1, Hastana, head, Bhujasana, shoulder. Okay. So we are going to bring our leg up on our shoulder. From here, actual asana, you will lift your whole body up like this. But today, what we are going to do, you are just going to lift your hip up like this. Okay, you will feel the stretch here. So, bring your knee up on your, see, you will stretch your legs forward. Knee up on your shoulder or close to your shoulder. Both your hands at the side of your hip. From here, inhale, lift your hip up. Hold the position. Stay. 1, inhale, exhale. Hip up. 2, higher. 3, good, Maha, good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. Okay. Switch. Now the other leg. Kaki seterusnya. Go. Left leg on top of your shoulder or your upper arm. Okay. Inhale. Hip up. Hands at the side of your hip. Inhale. Come up. Stay. 1, 2, கீழே வந்தாலும் திரும்பி மேலே போயிடணும். Move, go. Go up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good, Punita. 8. Calm down. Okay. One last asana before we go to the actual asana. Okay. This asana, okay, the movement that you are going to do now in this asana, this is exactly how you are going to do the actual asana that we will be doing later with the knee on top of your shoulder. Okay, so you will go to stretch your legs forward, bend your knees, not too close to your buttock or not too far in front. Okay, just until your soles are fully touching the floor. Place your hands at the side of your hip. Inhale, hip forward, then up. It's not lifting up straight like this, but you will bring hip forward, then up. This is what Ardha Gurvatasana or half Gurvatasana table pose. Okay, see? Bring forward, up. Go. Forward, then up. Interest is the legs apart according to your hip width, open. Okay, good. Stay. 1, Shiva, good. 2, 3, 4. Luina, do. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, come down. So, as we have easily did this position, we are also going to easily do the actual asana. Okay. How do you do that asana? Okay, same, stretch your legs forward. Okay. You will bend your knees, not too close or not too far, slightly bend it. But make sure that your whole sole is down on the floor. Then, now you will lift your leg up on top of your shoulder. Place your hands at the side of your hip. Okay, remember the movement just now? You brought your hip forward, then behind. The same thing, you will bring your hip forward, up, stretch your leg all the way behind. Look up. Okay, go. Sila cuba. Good. Punita, good. Hip higher, hip higher. Ino, hip higher. Rebecca, try. Good. Inhale, up. Shilpa, your leg is too far in front. Your left leg, you must bend and bring your sole inwards a bit more. Do both legs and try both legs. Okay, okay. Your right leg correct. Left leg. Left. Bend your knee. Bend your knee. Okay. Correct. This one correct. This knee you have to bend also. This knee, the other knee you have to bend so that it will support you to lift your leg up. Ah, yes. Yes, correct. Stay. 1, inhale, exhale. Dinesh, sudah pengsan? Do, Dinesh, do. 3, 4. Shamala, hip higher. Ah, good. Stretch your leg behind. Yoga and mom, very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Umul, hip higher. Up. Ah, stretch your leg behind some more, look up. Inno penadi. Ah, yes, correct. Okay, those who have done one leg, now do for the other leg. Kajol, you do, I show you the variation that you can, extra variation. You do? Okay, the rest do for the other leg now. Okay, Kajol, now that leg, left leg, you stretch forward. Straighten your knee. Now lift your hip up. Higher. Knee straight, hip up. Okay, that's the variation. Okay, now do for the other leg. Stay 1, 2, can show again, can. 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can also do right leg on top. Okay, this leg, the opposite leg, you can bend your knee, or you can even go on your, if you want to lift up higher, you can also go on your toes. Okay, you will see that, right? I lifted up very high. Okay, are we all okay? Master, how to bring, sorry, how to bring leg to shoulder? Quite hard. Okay, it's either on top of your shoulder or upper arm. You bend the knee in your place. But you have to, it's like a rotation to the side, then lift up, place here. Could not lift up. Okay, actually, if you can't lift up, if you can do this, then you can actually lift up. Maybe what you are doing is, you are doing this. So what you do, let's say I can't place my hand down. Let's say my hand is not reaching down. What I do, I place forward a bit. Okay, I place forward a bit. From here, lift forward. Okay, adjust your hand placement. Good. Okay. Good, Dinesh, good. Okay, are we all okay? Okay, this asana is actually, it's all about your technique. Okay, as long as you can do this, then you will surely be able to lift up here also. Okay, but the thing is, some of us, we may not be able to bring our hand close to our hip. It's okay, you put in front of it. So from here, you can still, okay? That's all for today. Try, then send me your pictures. If there's anything that you want me to correct, maybe sometimes you feel like you can't do the pose, but actually it's all about your technique. Okay? Inga. Chaduranga, tomorrow I teach, Durgashni. Okay, tomorrow, if possible, those who are free, you come in early a bit, about 6 o'clock. We practice on Chaduranga and some arm strengthening asanas that you can practice every day to strengthen your upper body, in the shoulder, the wrist strengthening we can do. Okay, that's all for today. Namaskar everyone. After this, I have class, so I can't reply your messages. I will reply after 10 o'clock. Thank you so much. See you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Akka.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Master.
Thank you, Master.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Master.
Yeah, Debrade. Thank you. Bye-bye. We'll see you. Bye. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Shamla, thank you, Shamla. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. See you.